And that means that you can do a different grade of carbon certificate than you normally would do. The problem is that people don't really care about how good the carbon certificate is. As long as they have a carbon certificate. And what we then saw was you had this ugly world where carbon certificate issued can be used in different countries. So one carbon certificate is basically double counting or triple counting or quadruple counting. And then you can go back to the blockchain, and the blockchain is one of the first digital systems who solved the double counting problem. So I think, unfortunately, we didn't go far enough as an industry, as a blockchain industry, to start using the blockchain to ensure that we don't have this double counting. Because only by ensuring you don't have double counting, you can start looking at the quality of the carbon certificate. So there's a lot of talk right now from United Nations and other trade associations around that. But I think the general thing here is that the token or the certificate or the quality of the certificate is not enough. You actually need to look at the incentive models from the corporates of the usage there, and you need to have nearly like you have in banking. You have what's called a CSD, a centralized security deposit. So it's like a database who ensures that we cannot both own the same Apple stock, right? And you need to put a base layer of that into the system as well. And there the blockchain is probably one of the best, if not the best way of doing that, specifically Cardano or third generation blockchain. So I think transparency is what we're talking about, and that's what's important here.